Dr. Ravi Subbiah has evidently resolved to assert the editorial independence of the news channel, which is a key to the best in journalism, by sparing no effort to endure its economic independence. Dr. Ravi Subbiah is also the first person with this ability in the world to head the operations of a local cable news station. This feat was recognized when the University of Jerusalem conferred on him an honorary doctorate for his research and work in the field of media and news broadcasting industry. The quality that gives any media its distinction is the collective contribution of the team. Under Dr. Ravi Subbiah, NMTV has been home to the city's finest talent. NMTV completed a decade in style. The channel went global by becoming the first local news station in India to go live online on the web and is also enlisted on the satellite now. Simultaneously, Dr. Ravi Subbiah is also the president of the Handicap Welfare Association. Handicap Welfare Association is an NGO that works for equal rights, opportunities, and welfare of persons with disabilities. Under Dr. Ravi Subbiah's leadership, the NGO has successfully conducted meetings between policy makers, taken up issues of persons with disabilities with authorities, worked towards implementation of their rights, and has employed them within its organization as well. Besides this, even during natural disasters, Dr. Ravi Subbiah's NGO has reached out to provide aid and help to persons with disabilities across cities. As Handicap Welfare Association continues to strive working for special people, and NMTV gears up to enter another challenging arena of global broadcasting industry, Dr. Ravi Subbiah has attained the distinguished identity of being an ambassador of motivation and inspiration for others. When he attends public events in his unique style, he has onlookers awestruck, motivated, and inspired. He personifies the willingness that never quits. Dr. Ravi Subbiah dared to confront what can only be imagined. The choice he makes and the chances he takes have always determined his destiny. Just by seeing him or hearing him talk of his handicap, his struggles, and his success story, one realizes the impact of attitude in his life. Attitude to him is more important than facts. It is more important than the past, than education, than money, than circumstances, than failures, than successes, than what other people think, say, or do. It is more important than appearance, giftedness, or skill. It is what makes Dr. Ravi Subbiah the one who dared to change destiny.